Okay, I'm doing this video for everyone that's been asking about cleaning stuff. I use Iron Out for about 90% of my cleaning of crystals and other rocks. Do not use it on calcite though. If you do, you can use it quickly, but I would drop one in that you don't like just to check it out. But it's about, let's say, 10 gallons in there. I usually do about a cup of Iron Out per 5 gallons. Do not smell the fumes that are coming off right now. I like using this better than normal acids because it's a little bit better for you. You can use your gloves or whatnot, but it doesn't, you can wash it off really quickly. But see how it's getting white? That's what you want the water to look like. Now I'm going to take probably my bigger one first. Another Keokuk Geode. Some people also ask me why I use a cracker, which is a soil pipe cutter. Instead, I use both. I saw and I crack, but when you saw, see this geode right here. See if I can get it focused. See those little crystals that are sticking above? If you would cut this rock, you would cut those crystals right off, so it wouldn't be all sticking out like that. That's why I don't cut all my, 90% I don't cut unless a customer asks me to.